Hello everyone, today we are going to introduce you the steps to switch on the PSB17060K press brake machine. Open the electrical cabinet. Connect the 3 live wires to L1, L2, and L3, and connect the ground wire as well. This machine uses 380V 3-phase power. Ensure all wiring is correct and secure. After the power connection is complete, we proceed to fill the hydraulic oil. Use China National Standard No. 46 anti-wear hydraulic oil. Open the top oil tank port and fill it to the proper level. Once the hydraulic oil is filled, we're ready to power on the machine. Press the power switch and wait for the screen to load. The machine uses the DA53T control system from the Netherlands. Once initialized, you'll enter the main interface. If the yellow light on the control panel is on, it means the oil pump has started successfully. If the oil pump fails to start, the motor may be running in reverse. Swap any 2 of the 3-phase power wires, then restart the machine. The oil pump should operate normally. After the oil pump starts, switch to manual mode and press the start button. Enter the desired bending length and angle on the touch screen. The system will automatically calculate the required tonnage. Once the parameters are set, press the foot pedal, the ram will descend to perform the bending operation. After the operation is complete, press the emergency stop button and turn off the main power to shut down the machine. After receiving the machine, installing the foot pedal is also simple, just insert the plug into the socket and lock it in place.